Oh, this is Bobby at Cooperative Repair with a quick note before we even get started to work on the boards. Those are Panasonic boards. TNPA5340, and this is that board. The top buffer, the bottom buffer 41, and this is TNPA5351. And as the customer says, where's the customer note? Resistance test on TNPA5340 SU board, top IC indicates short on several pins. This is the model, and he also is including, or she, TNPA5351, the SC board. What I want to say is that top buffer board is apparently short. The usual test that has been shown on, we showed it for the first time many years ago. I wouldn't be surprised if we were the first to show how to test those way before those Panasonic releases in probably third generation plasmas. This is what you get on the short. You use the floating ground on the buffer, and this is the top IC. Those are all the tracks that go out of it up to until here. Probably the whole first connector and a little bit of the second is the first IC, and you get short on many of them, like on this one, 95. And normally what it should be is more like 796, or above the 600s. So this first IC is bad, and customer is right about that. The reason I make this video is the SC board is also bad, and we'll have to repair it, and we'll have to charge for that as well. This is the customer name, so they know the board is theirs. Those are three groups of sustain and energy recovery transistors here, 3 parallel, 3 here, 3 here, and 3 here. Where are they? 2? Maybe on that board they're 2 and 2. I'm confusing that with a bigger board. I think there are 3 and 3. But then it's probably, let me see, 1, 2. I don't want to confuse you. Collector. Okay, so there's probably 3 here, 3 here, and there's got to be 3 here. That's right. So 3, my bad. 3, 3, 3. And if either one of those groups, they go like this. If one of those is bad, usually the other one is bad too. One of them are for the energy recovery, the other is for the sustained shape formation that is being sent to the buffer boards. And they don't go bad together. One of the groups that have 3 and 3, they go together. If one of them goes bad, the other one goes bad. And if this group is bad, then that one usually isn't, and the other one, if that group is bad, this one usually isn't. In addition to that, when one of those two groups fails, I think it was this one, this transistor here also tends to go bad. I don't know if you can see what I'm getting, but I'm getting, and this is 3 ohms. This is definitely shorted. Oftentimes this shorts as well, very rarely that. But in all cases, what I wanted to say is this is a diode. It's in parallel with the transistors. It's a clamp diode that is in parallel with the group of those 3. It's kind of hard to test them, and that's why I'm using the diode to test collector emitter. And it's shorted. So this is short. This up was short. That board is damaged, and anytime a board comes for repair for any one of those failures, we replace everything. And the reason we replace everything is enough times we would replace this because it's bad, and 2 weeks later, or 2 months later, or 2 days later, customer will come with this one bad. They work together, they wear out together, they don't fail exactly together, just like the car tires on your car won't fail at the exact same time from being worn out. They won't bust at the same time, but it will be close next to each other. And a proper repair will have all of those replaced at the same time. And this is also going to be an expensive repair, and this would explain why some repairs may be costing $40. Although, frankly, for $40, there's no way you could do either of those repairs here. And some of them will be 90, 100, 120. The proper job is just proper, and that's probably true for many other cases. The trick is just to find honest vendor that will charge you more and will do the job properly, because, as being in the business, I can tell you many times you're tempted to get the money and just do half of it. And I'm sure sometimes, rarely, we may do something like that. I can remember the last time I was thinking of something like that. There was a justification, but all in all, if a board comes here, this is the rule, this is how we do it. There are exceptions to it, but this is the rule and that's how it's gotta be. Thank you for watching, and best of luck.